Hello there, this is Mary and I am your friendly VA mentor. May bagong intro yan! For today guys, I will show you how to use VPM Solutions. It's one of the easiest and most legit platforms to find online work, especially if gusto mo na maging property manager or real estate virtual assistant and start freelancing this 2026. No experience, no bayad. Yes, absolutely for free, no scam. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, don't worry. This full tutorial is beginner-friendly, step-by-step, and 100% free. No sign-up fee, no nonsense, just real opportunities. VPM or Virtual Property Management is an online platform where a lot of property managers and real estate companies are looking for virtual assistants to help them with tasks. Administrative work, cold calling, social media, digital marketing, data management, and even property listings. Basically, para siyang other marketplace na nakikita natin, pero hindi kagaya ng Upwork na meron pang kailangan bilhin na connects para makapag-apply, and online jobs na alam naman natin na napakahirap maghanap ng tama ang bayad. Para siyang job street ang atake for real estate and property managers looking for virtual assistants, legit and used by hundreds of property management companies, especially in the US. Now, make sure to watch the whole video bago kayo magsimula, and if you feel that someone might benefit from this video, itag nyo na rin lang sila dito or share this video to them para makapagsimula na rin sila. And guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe dito sa YouTube, alam nyo ba dito bumabagsak yung mga full tutorial? Kumbaga, yung sa TikTok at sa Facebook, mga malamya-lamya lang na chismis yun. Andito ang full tutorial, kaya mag-subscribe ka na. Anyway, to get started, all you have to do is check the link dito sa description box below. Click on join now or sign up and choose I'm a virtual assistant. And then fill out nyo lang yung form, name, email, password, location. Yes, you can apply even if you're from the Philippines. And then once you are done, check your email for verification link. Click it to activate your account. Importante dito guys, na gumamit na kayo noong ginawa natin na professional email for your freelancing or virtual assistance business. Kasi recruiters really do notice that. Once you are in, complete your VA profile. This is your online resume, ha? So make sure to upload a clear smiling profile photo, add your skills. Like kung meron na ba kayong alam sa Canva, CRM, cold calling, data entry, write a short, confident bio about what you can help them with. Now, kung part ka ng pay raise in 100 days challenge natin, alam mo na kung paano gawin to. Sisimulan mo lang doon sa experience list mo, isasalpak mo siya sa ChatGPT, pagkatapos create a confident bio about how I can help property managers. Side note, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-join sa pay raise in 100 days, it's a 100 skills in 100 days challenge. 399 pesos lang siya. So every time that you complete one task, sesendan ka ng panibagong task, and the goal is meron ka na kagad 100 skills to start and become client ready by 2026. You guys wanna join? Punta lang kayo sa Facebook, pagkatapos mag-comment kayo doon ng pay raise in 100 days challenge, and isasend namin sa inyo ang link. Next, I need you to add your experience and tools that you know. Kung wala naman, that is okay. However, I want you to go back to kung ano man yung previous work experience mo. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that you've done as a virtual assistant, because right now, kung wala ka pang experience, basically what we are looking for are your transferable skills. The more you complete your profile, the higher your chances of getting hired. Now, kung excited ka na, you can click on jobs and you'll see tons of listings, mostly from US-based property management companies. Each listing shows the rate, tasks, and hours required. You can even filter this by your skill level, beginner, intermediate, or expert, so you won't feel overwhelmed. Kung hindi ka pa naman ganoon ka-confident, ang kagandahan nito kapag pumunta ka sa learn.vpmsolutions.com, napakarami dyang courses na pwede mong i-take para matuto ka kung paano maging virtual assistant. And everything is for free. Plus, may certificate pa. Amazing. Now, going back, kung ready ka naman ang mag-apply, when you find a job you like, click apply now, write a short cover letter, and attach your resume or portfolio if needed. Don't overthink it. You just have to be honest and confident. Tapos, iintayin mo lang ang response ni client. Kasi kapag nag-apply ka na, client may message you directly for an interview. So, make sure that your notifications are on and your email is active. You can also practice your self-introduction kasi most clients just want to know if you can communicate well. For example, pag pumunta kayo sa knowledge.vpmsolutions.com/knowledge, bibigyan kayo niya ng full guide sa kung ano nga ba yung mga pwede ninyong gawin para magkaroon ng mock tasks or practice tests na pwede ninyong i-take para mas maging client ready na kayo. And that's it. Get hired and start working. Once you guys are hired, everything including contracts and payments happens inside VPM. So clients pay you through their system and VPM pays weekly via Wise. You are officially a VPM VA na. You'd be part of the real estate world without ever leaving home. I created a much more detailed step-by-step tutorial with a checklist dyan sa baba natin sa description box. So, make sure to check that out kung ang learning style ninyo is visual or mas gusto ninyong binabasa yung instructions step-by-step. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Ready to start my VA journey? Para pag binalikan ko tong video na to, baka pwede ko pang isend sa inyo yung mga free checklist natin na naka-ready para sa 2026. Again, if you want to join Pay Raise in 100 Days Challenge, the roadmap to being client ready by 2026, you can go back to Facebook, comment Pay Raise in 100 Days, and we'll send you the link to join. 399 lang. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you sa next task. Bye!